All right, I think it's time for some examples. Let's go ahead and do example 1, multiplying a polynomial by a monomial. All right, simplify negative 2x times the quantity 4x squared plus 3x minus 5. So the original expression, negative 2x times the quantity 4x squared plus 3x minus 5, we're going to use the distributive property, and we're going to take that 2 and we're going to share it with everything inside of the parentheses. Okay, so we're going to take negative 2 and we're going to multiply it with 4x squared. Excuse me. We're going to take negative 2 and multiply it with 3x, and we're going to take negative 2 and multiply it with negative 5. Okay. Notice that the negative goes with the 2x all the way across. It has to stay with it the whole time. Looking at the next step, we have negative 2x times 4x squared. That's negative 8x to the third, plus negative 2x times 3x, which is negative 6x squared, minus negative 2x times 5, which is negative 10x. And then we simplify, dealing with all those negative signs, so we get negative 8x to the third minus 6x squared plus 10x. Alternative methods. To simplify, negative 2x times the quantity 4x squared plus 3x minus 5, you can use a long multiplication, set them up like multiplying long numbers like when you were younger. You don't have to use this method if you prefer the distributive method that you saw above, but this is another option for you. In this one, you take the negative 2x and you multiply with the negative 5 to get the positive 10x. Then you take the negative 2x and you multiply it with the 3x to get the negative 6x squared. And finally, you take the negative 2x and multiply it with 4x squared to get the negative 8x to the third. In your notes, go ahead and compare and contrast those methods and just pick which one it is that you like best and which one you're going to use. Something for you to watch out for: if the monomial has a negative coefficient, remember to distribute the negative sign to each term in the polynomial, right? That negative 2x, that negative sign has to go with the 2x through the whole problem, right? Don't leave it behind. It's got to stay with it. If you need to rewind this video, go ahead and do that. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one.